Hi guys, welcome back to another video. No messing around, no beating around the bush. Today the engine is coming out of that Celica. I'm not going to drag it out over the whole series in itself. We're going to be getting the engine out. I want to find out what's wrong with it. I'm sure you guys do too. But before we do that, we're going to have to get it out of the car. It has crossed my mind. Do I cut corners? Do I rebuild it in the car? But this car deserves a proper job. And in order to do a proper job, we need to get the engine out and on a stand and potentially down the machine shop. And we can't do that if it's bolted in the car. So that's enough talking. Let's get to it. So we've dropped the subframe. What a pig of a job. Everything had to come out: suspension, wishbones, brakes, gearbox, transfer case, exhaust system, turbo, all of it. Even the power steering fluid had to be drained. So right. The engine is completely separate from the car. I've checked that there's no lines or leads connecting it. So now it's just a case of raising the car as high as I can possibly raise it, and then dragging out the engine and the subframe from the bottom. So yeah, the engine's out of the car now, and the next video I'm going to be sticking it on an engine stand, and we're going to be finding out what's actually wrong with this engine once and for all. I don't want to drag it out too long. Same as you guys, I want to find out what's wrong. Let's cut to the chase and get it fixed. Now the video probably looked really easy when I'm actually pulling the engine out of this car, but I can assure you it was very frustrating, and it's taken a couple of days, a few days actually. I can only do a few hours a day before I start to get frustrated and feel like smashing the blinking ratchet through the windscreen. So it's finally come to an end anyway, pulling the engine out, and I can honestly say I haven't broken anything, and I'm getting to the point now with my mechanical skills slowly developing that I've actually pulled this engine out, and I can honestly say nothing's been broken in the process. So I hope you guys can appreciate me cutting to the chase and not dragging this out too long. I probably could have dragged it out over 5 videos pulling this engine out, but I'm pretty sure you guys want me to cut to the chase. You want to see what's wrong with it, and so do I. In the next video, it's going to be on the engine stand. We're going to be tearing it down, and we're going to be finding out what's wrong with it. And if you do appreciate me just cutting to the chase, not beating around the bush, give us a like and a comment on the video as well, because it really does help the channel. And also it tells YouTube that my videos are interesting, and I'd be more likely to recommend them, because at the moment, being a little YouTube channel, the videos, they don't get recommended really. So it's down to you guys. If you comment, click the like, it's going to really help out the channel, and more people are going to get to see this restoration on the Celica. So I do hope you've enjoyed the videos. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Let me know if you're enjoying the series. And yeah, in the next one, we're finally going to be finding out what's wrong with that engine.